Hi, friends. So we're going to learn today about one of my favorite songs. It's called a nursery rhyme. And this is Mary. And do you know what Mary has? Mary has a little lamb. And I am wondering here in our STEAM activity, who's going to follow Mary to school? So I have a cow. I wonder if the cow follows Mary to school. We'll find out. I have a horse. I wonder if the horse follows Mary. I have a little lamb. I'm wondering if the lamb follows Mary. That sounds like this song. We'll sing it together in a minute. I have a dog. I'm wondering if the dog follows Mary. We'll check it out. And I have a pig. Okay, let's sing the song together, and then we're going to see who follows Mary. All right, so you guys know the song. Sing it with me. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. He followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. He followed her to school one day. I think the lamb might follow her. So, let's see. All right. Let's bring Mary over here close to the cow. Mary's gonna go to school. Does the cow follow Mary? The cow does not follow Mary. The cow stays on the farm. All right, let's try. Who is this? This is the horse. Does the horse follow Mary? No. The horse does not follow Mary. I'm going to put the horse over here, putting the cow and the horse back on the farm. All right, look who's up next. It's the lamb. Do we think that is the lamb going to follow? The lamb going to follow Mary? Let's see. Oh my goodness. The lamb is following Mary. I wonder what's causing that lamb to follow Mary. Can you see what I have right here? That is a paper clip. Now let me show you. Here's the lamb. Let me show you what I have on the back of Mary. Do you know what that is? That's a magnet. And paper clips and magnets stick to each other. We'll look at that a little bit more in a minute. I'm going to put the lamb is following Mary. He's following her all around. Okay, I'm going to put the lamb down for a minute. And let's see, is the dog going to follow Mary? No, the dog doesn't follow Mary. What about the pig? Does the pig follow? The pig doesn't follow Mary. So only the lamb follows Mary. I'm going to show you right here. Look what happens. I get the lamb close to Mary. The lamb sticks to Mary. Look, the lamb follows Mary everywhere she goes. And that is because there is, that magnet is very strong. That is because the lamb has a paper clip. Yeah. So there's Mary and her little lamb that follows her to school. All right, now we are going to take some data because this is STEAM. And whenever we do STEAM, we're going to take some data. Last year, you guys had a STEAM notebook. Well, this year, I'm just going to have maybe, for now, a class STEAM data. So I'm going to pause this and bring up my data sheet. So hold on. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. If not, I'm going to have to try to figure that out for us. But did the pig follow Mary to school? No, the pig did not follow Mary to school. So let's see. Can we put a big no right there? We're going to write N-O. I'll just write it right there. No, the pig did not follow Mary to school. All right, what about the pony? Did the pony follow Mary to school? The horse? No. You know what? Should we check it out just to be sure? There goes Mary. The horse did not follow. Nope. The horse didn't follow. I'm going to say no again. No, the pig didn't follow. The horse didn't follow. All right, what about the lamb? Did the lamb, let's get the right there so we can make it. Did the lamb follow Mary to school? Yes, the lamb followed Mary. We're going to put a big yes. Yay, the lamb followed. All right. What about the cow? Did the cow follow Mary? No, Mary left. The cow did not follow. No, the cow did not follow. What about the dog? Let's see. Here's the dog. And here's Mary. Did the dog follow Mary? No, the dog did not follow Mary. So let's see if I can put, like right here, I'll put sad face. What about the horse? Nope, sad face. What about the lamb? Yes, happy face for the lamb. The cow? No, sad face. And the dog. Sad face for the dog. And I'll make this all bigger so you guys can see it. So you can see it a little bit more. There we go. So there's our data on our data sheet. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you enjoyed our STEAM for this week. Bye-bye.